Hello all, in this video we will learn to implement copy to clipboard feature using JavaScript. So as you can see on screen, when a user click on this copy button, the content of the tweet idea is copied. As you can see, I am pasting it here and the content is copied. So we will implement this feature. Now, like, there can be various ways to implement this feature, but I have found one way which looks interesting to me, so I will be showing you that way. You can like search for other ways as well. So let me just open my Visual Studio Code, and as you can see, we are in the handle copy method, and here we will write the JavaScript code. So what we will do is we will like use this HTML input element select method, which allows us to select the content of the text area fields. So the HTML input element select method select all the text in a text area element or in an input element that includes a text field. So it allows us to select the complete text of a text area field. So what we will do is, first of all, we will create a text area field using JavaScript. So we will do the DOM manipulation using JavaScript. So let's do that. And first of all, I will create one const text area document dot create element, and the element will be text area. You will not be able to see this text area field on screen because we will remove it after copying the content. So text area dot value, and we will set the value of text area field to this tweet text. After setting the value, we will append this into the body. So document dot body dot append child, and we will pass text, not the thing. We will pass the constant text area, and after that document text area dot select. So this is the method which will select the content of the text area field, and then we will use this method of document, which is execute command, and here we will pass the copy command which will copy the content, and after copying the content we will remove the text area field. So document dot body dot remove child, and here we will pass text area. Let's save this code and deploy to Salesforce. So let me just recap what we did. First of all, we created a constant text area, and we used the create element method to create the text area. Then we set the value of text area field to tweet text. Then we appended this the field which we created using JavaScript to the body tag. Then we use the select method of this text area input element, which will select the content of this field. Then we use the exec command method and pass the copy command, which will help us to copy the content. And then after doing everything, we are removing the text area field from the DOM. So let's go back to our Salesforce org and refresh the page and see if we are able to copy the content of the tweet or not. So I will click on this googling is a skill, copy, and let me paste it here. So as you can see, we are able to copy the content. Let me just change these tabs from here. The vertical navigation I am changing, and let me copy this content just to verify. So I will paste it here again. As you can see, it is working. So this is how you can implement a copy to clipboard feature using JavaScript. Thank you very much.